We just arrived at the Keukenhof, with the parking space where we are driving to find a parking space. It's pretty crowded in the morning now. It's better to arrive here a little bit early in the morning to avoid a crowd. We are driving to parking P2, ladies and gentlemen. It's full in parking P1. This area is very big, and you can find a lot of tulip farm outside of the Keukenhof. I think the family or the neighbor here, they are doing tulip business. Right, this is P2 parking. When you buy a ticket to enter Keukenhof, they give you like the hour of entrance. So we had between 10:30 and 11. Now we are 15 minutes late, and we are not even parked our car yet. So probably we're 30 minutes late for the entrance. It's better to buy a ticket up front. Definitely you can go in queue and get the ticket, but there might be a chance that the ticket is no longer valid. So this is the very beginning of Keukenhof Garden. So many people. It's already crowded around 11 a.m. Look at this tulip flower. It looks like a rose actually. This is red live blood. Blood red. The cornish. Muscary grape ice. Merit. What they call it? Tulipa merit. And showcase. It's actually quite crowded at noontime. So many people is coming in. But all the flower is in the moment where it blossom at the same time. It's not too early, it's not too late. And if you arrive here probably a week after that, some of the flower, you know, it's already gone. You can see they just started to be dead in a couple days, and some of that is still in very fresh with the sunshine. They also have some cherry blossom here. This cherry probably, yeah. So around, you know, Easter time, between 10 and 20 April is good. They do have plenty of park where you can sit, have your lunch, take a rest. It's quite sunshine today. The weather is completely perfect for sightseeing and flower capturing. See. Now you walk very quiet. If you jump, and then it will pum 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 pum, and the water will bump into your body. See?
Hey, go slowly.
I'm scared, Mommy. This is terrification.
Quick, go halfway in the
Even though my feet are loose.
Sorry. Ready? No. Ryan, Tara, look. Caroline, it would be so gross to fall in there.
What?
It'd be so gross to fall in there.
Asking for my friend. Yeah, that was good, Casey. Well, the water from the flash here.
There is also a kid playground here. You are traveling with family and kids, so they can enjoy, you know, sort of activity in the playground at lunchtime. Ah,
Você por aqui foi me resto.
see.
Ej, det er godt nok flot her.音楽鳴ってる。さっきいきなり鳴ったやつかな。
Ouais, on vient de croiser où?
C'est bien, ça fait pas.
He's going to say something. Monster flowers.
Yeah, do you want that way?
So there is a maze here. You can try the maze activity in Keukenhof. Yeah, it's quite fun. Huh? There's a long walk. You might get lost here, though there are a lot of people and.
Ja, już słyszę. O, wymyszę. Ale miśki.
When you get to the destination of the maze, you can get to the top of that and take a picture out. You know. And this is the way out of the maze. Oh, it's quite fun for the family activity. If you have a kids.
So many people. They're like doing a field trip. Yeah, Mommy, look. Do you like all the flowers?